So it looks like this battery is completely dead, so let's try to recharge it with another car, and then we'll use a multimeter to see if it maintains the voltage. If not, I suspect the battery is dead, and we need a new one, or something else might be wrong, like the alternator, or let's see. So the first thing we're going to do is recharge this battery. It's almost completely empty. I will charge it with another car. Hook up the two batteries. Alrighty, now let's start up the car. So let's use the multimeter, put it in voltage, DC, direct current. "14" is what we expect when the engine is running. Let's keep it running for an hour. Then after an hour, we'll disconnect and see what the battery does.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's an hour later. Let's disconnect the batteries. Okay, now we'll shut off the engine and see what the battery reads. Yeah, you can see it dropping fast, even below 12 volts. So this battery is dead. So next thing is ordering a new one. Autozone has a 3-hour delivery. So let's make use of that and see if we can replace the battery today and solve this issue. Let's check back in a few minutes and see where it is, where it's at right then. This thing is going down.
A few moments later.
Hello. Yeah, let's put it here anyway. Okay.
Right here's fine? Here's fine?
Yeah,
Here's kind of
perfect. Isn't that it?
Oh, thank you so
Yeah.
much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. It was so quick. I have to order this.
I tried.
Awesome. Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Yep, you too. Alrighty, I just ordered it like an hour ago. It's already here. Now it's got some juice. So let's start with the minus first, then we cut the circuit. Turns out I have nothing but crappy tools. Now let's remove the bar, which I believe is an 8mm. Oh, I got it backwards. You see, this is if you do it for the first time. Alrighty, let's see if this thing starts. Looks like we have power already. Oh yeah! What about the sunroof? The windows? They're all working. So I think things are looking good. Yeah, I think the car is back to life.